In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Wix subscription. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative freelancer, or just someone who loves building beautiful websites, managing your Wix subscription effectively is vital to ensure you're getting the most out of the services you pay for. Now, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First off, you'll want to head over to the Wix.com homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your existing credentials. Simply click on the Login button and enter the details you use to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you'll find everything you need to manage your website. Ensure you're on the project's homepage where you'd like to manage the subscription. From your dashboard, the next step is to locate the Settings section. This is where all your management tools are housed. Look towards the top or the side, depending on your dashboard layout, until you find the Settings icon. Clicking on this will bring you into the hub for all things account management related. Once inside the Settings area, you'll need to find and select the option labeled Manage Plan. This is the key section where you can oversee every detail about your current subscription. Clicking here will open up a comprehensive overview of your plan's specifics, whether it's free or premium, and what benefits you currently have. For those of you using the free plan, your options here will be somewhat limited. You'll see primarily the option to upgrade, meaning you're currently maximizing what's available to you under your free plan. While free plans offer a great start, consider the benefits of upgrading, especially if you're venturing into business or require more features. If you decide that an upgrade might be necessary for your growing needs, you'll find a button labeled Upgrade, which you should click on. Doing so will present you with a comparison of the premium plans that Wix offers. This comparison is an excellent way to evaluate which features you get access to with each plan. Study these options closely, considering the kind of enhancements you need, be it additional bandwidth, more storage, or access to additional support features. By carefully following these steps, you'll be able to manage your Wix subscription with ease, ensuring your site continues to run smoothly and is equipped with all the necessary tools you require. Always remember, your website is as scalable as the plan you choose, so keep reassessing your needs as your business or hobby grows. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in managing your Wix subscription.